who it is? Who is that? Gonna go meet that guy. Do it for the vlog.
I was hoping you were gonna pull up and then.
Oh, you want me to rev up? Well, it's fine. You know what? I'll do it. I'll do it. If you want me to do it, I'll do it. Let's rev, boys. Yeah, it's not bad. It's still cold too, so.
Oh, like the people from the guard.
I'm not taking my camera inside. I'm not doing that. Open this. Open this.
How do you open it?
It's like this. Okay, so we loaded up with some vinyl flooring for Caleb's new shop. I was gonna make it like a fun thing, be like, hey guys, I got a new shop, and you just come in the camera, like kick me off, to be like, it's my shop. I don't know.
Oh, there it goes.
And it just fell.
Alright,
but would you mind
holding it?
Doing it?
You're good. Oh, doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So just this one right here.
Yep, in there.
Popping them like this, or
yep. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, I saw some lights.
Yep.
Now, should I just like hold both of these as well? Right?
Yeah, sure. Clickbait. I don't want to do the
kills himself by electrocuting.
Logan Paul kind of thing. Filming dead people.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't be dead right away.
Yeah, probably not.
You want to follow me?
I will. Yeah. So, just all of you probably know that I haven't been posting any videos at all for the past 3 months. I do have a reason for that. I did just get my license back, and I had a lot of troubles that I will explain later about. But today we are working on Caleb's new shop, and I'm following him to his new shop. So stay tuned. Would you just look at that, and that, and that? Huh?
So the heater definitely works in here.
Definitely, hell yeah.
So this is it.
That's a laptop.
So this is the office, obviously.
This is the tour. You know how they did on MTV?
Well, there's only 2 buildings. There are 2 rooms, so it's not very exciting, but
still. Ooh.
The lights have to warm up.
Flicker though.
Yeah, they have to warm up. But
it's pretty cold here though.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's so echoey.
Very echoey.
Yes. But it's such a nice shop.
So clean.
We can still go on top.
Yeah,
probably.
I wouldn't really trust it.
But yeah, no. That is it. The shop. Well, there you go, boys. That's my new shop. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, no, it's definitely a lot nicer.
Like these walls that must have just been painted because they're so nice, and clean and stuff.
Bad mother.
Caleb is gone to get the vacuum cleaner, and while he's gone, I'm gonna try to take this tape off. We bought a lot of tools that hopefully will help me do that. Bought the scraper thingy, like that. Oh god, I'm dirty. Just took everything off. At first it didn't seem easy because like it got stuck super hard here, and I tried to use the tool that we got to try to undo it, but then on the other sides, it was already peeling off, so I just grabbed it and it was literally like 2 minutes. And now I have to wait for Caleb. We're gonna vacuum this once again and get the vinyl, start putting vinyl down. I can mess with Caleb's camera right now. That would be fun. Everybody, please, just a little notice here. Don't mind my hair. I woke up like this, and I just don't know why it does this. Just, you know, the cows, they come and they lick my hair while I sleep. So please, just don't mind that. Okay, thanks. Alright, so the floors are clean. Caleb vacuumed everything and I kind of scraped all the paint and whatever was bad on the floor, was uneven. Now it's time to put these bad boys on. And Caleb's actually reading instructions right now. So this is before.
Before and after.
And it's going to be after. Once it's done. Behind the scenes.
Ah, already. Piece of stuff we missed. Just like that. Step on it. Of course, we got stuck on something right there. Where's that chisel? Can you give me that chisel?
Chisel.
Really? It's great.
Chisel, with drizzle.
There we go.
So the progress is going. I started helping Caleb put it in.
Filming while there's mad dubstep going on in the background?
Yes. But yeah, so I started helping putting these things down. And so far we only got this corner. And it's looking good. I can't really do the time lapse because my camera doesn't really have much space. My SD card. Because cops took my other SD card.
Did you explain, like...
I did not. Not yet.
Are you going to?
Yeah, I will have to explain why cops took my SD card. And why I was arrested twice. That's okay. And why I'm selling the car on which my whole channel is based. That's so far what we got. This whole floor. It looks a lot better.
Oh yeah.
I mean, not better, but like it just looks really nice.
Eventually,
Well, after about half an hour since the last video, we did so much more. All this, the whole thing is pretty much half. Like half of the floor is done. Right?
Excuse me, I'm gonna put one right here.
Oh my god, you keep following me? What are you doing? But yeah, it looks really nice. And we're about to go get food, possibly. Well, most likely.
Yeah.
And guess what? Caleb is gonna drive my Z. Woohoo!
Yes.
But anyway, things are looking real good. But we gotta get some food. Did it rhyme? Things are looking really good, but we gotta get some food. And we'll come back and finish that up. That's it. You have a stain in here.
Do I? That's awkward. Oh. From my coat. It's from the hole in my coat. My coat bleeds.
Yeah. Whose fault is that?
Mine.
There you
From
go.
falling while ice skating.
Yeah, that's-
sucked.
Really? You fell while skating?
Yeah. And that's how it ripped. But it was like on smooth ice, so I don't know how it ripped. It's so dumb.
Okay, let's go. Look at these hot headlights. Look at those. Don't they look good? They're just look at those. Here.
Thank you, sir. What year is this?
08.
Newest manual car I've driven.
So, what are your opinions on the Z so far?
I like it. I'm not really great at driving it, but
You recommend to someone to buy that?
based off my literally a minute of driving, yeah, it's nice.
Good.
I mean, everyone has like a Z on YouTube now.
Yeah.
It's kind of true.
That's why I gotta sell
because
it.
they're good though.
Yeah, these are good.
Yeah.
These are good for literally anything.
Right. How much does it weigh? Oh, ooh, it's so nimble.
Yeah, 35 I think, 34.
Ooh, that's heavy.
Yeah.
Compared to a Miata, which is like 22. But it doesn't feel heavy, which is cool.
No, it doesn't. good? Do the thing I told you.
Told me what?
Speed up, quick.
Please observe the speed limit.
That's so cool! Man, I can't drive this car for shit, but that was fun.
Yeah.
It's so different than my car, because my car, like, I should have to wait for the power.
Yeah. This one just goes right away, kind of. Mm-hmm. Naturally aspirated.
No turbos.
No turbos.
About 6 cylinders.
Not yet, but
Not yet.
not ever because
You're selling it.
I'm selling it. Yeah. I was gonna get turboed. I was gonna do single though.
Dog, you're super out of gas.
Am I?
Yeah.
It's fine. It's okay. We got back, we got food, we got new floor, we got Caleb, we got my Z, we got...
But we don't have a couch.
We don't have what?
Couch.
Couch, not yet, but we soon will, right? But yeah. have a nice meal.
Thanks.
Oh god.
That kind of sucks.
Well, the whole floor is done, besides the last piece that we have to do, like the last stripe, whatever it is.
Yeah.
All the way against the wall. And the thing is, we have to cut every single thing. We have actually 4 left.
Ooh,
oh, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna...
4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. We do have like these pieces though, too.
And we're gonna cut them in half, so.
Yeah. We should be good. So we'll finish that up. I'll show you the finished product and then we'll hang out a little bit. And I gotta go to movies. So, the floor is officially not done. We have this one piece.
I've like stopped caring. I just want to be done.
Yeah?
Yeah, just making really crappy cuts and stuff. But hey, it's covered, so
Hey.
you just leave it like that.
No. Yeah, put something here so no one knows that's there.
Oh, maybe that's like a little Easter egg.
Easter egg. Nice.
For the help.
So
Oh,
hey
no,
guys.
I'm gonna interrupt. Oh god.
So the floor is done. We've been here for about 2 hours.
This club with 600 subscribers, 900.
900, Caleb, 900. I'm working on it, okay?
You're taking charge of the room. You're a better vlogger than me.
No. I had to do it just for the vlog, just because
Yeah,
it's funny.
okay.
Yeah.
For the memes.
For the memes.
The memes.
Memes.
The floor is kind of dirty. We're gonna clean it, but we're not supposed to clean it until 3 days after we put it down. So we'll wait a little bit, then we'll clean it. But it looks really awesome. Just needs some furniture, which we're gonna do tomorrow or the next day whenever I get a U-Haul for the bus.
Yeah, what he said.
Go check out Pasha's channel. What is it?
It's just Pasha.
Oh, just Pasha?
Just like 2 words. Just
Space.
Pasha.
Just space Pasha?
Yeah, just space Pasha. Well, there's no space as a word, but there's like space.
Yes. There's the letter space.
Yeah.
The symbol space.
Yeah, the symbol space.
The space bar button.
Yes.
Not the
The
word
one you
space.
jump in games with, usually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. But yeah, we're all done.
So once again, everything is done. Caleb is gonna go to his old shop and start packing all the stuff to move over here.
It's gonna be fun.
And yeah, all this is done. The carpet rolled over there. I don't know what else to say. It's really echoey here.
I'm curious to see how echoey it is on camera.
On your snap. On your Snapchat, it looked pretty echoey.
Yeah, that's true. All
But-
those blades I just left laying on.
It's fine. Gingium blades. And I am gonna go hang out with a friend and watch a movie, Annihilation. So this is probably gonna be the end of my little vlog or whatever that is. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. I'll see you guys later at some point. Don't know when, but hopefully not from now on. I'm gonna be making more videos.
At least one a week. You gotta do at least
I gotta do it at least once a week. Yeah, that's fair.
That's good.
So yeah, I'll see you later and stay positive.